There is a hidden setting you should know about. Google uses smart features and AI to analyze and read the context of your emails to provide features like smart reply, automatic tab sorting, and package tracking. While some people love these convenient features, others are not comfortable with AI scanning their private messages. What many don't realize is that everyone is automatically opted in by default, meaning if you want to protect your privacy, you have to manually opt out yourself. Here's how to turn it off step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Tap the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top left corner, scroll all the way down and tap Settings. Select your Gmail account address from the list. Scroll down to Google Workspace Smart Features. Tap on it and untick Smart Features in Google Workspace. Right below that, tap and untick Smart Features in other Google products to stop Google from sharing your email data across apps like Maps or Google Assistant. Also untick the box for Smart Features to turn off email reading within Gmail. That is how you can easily opt out and turn off Gmail's AI smart features on Android. If this quick guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.